Finding the courage to change, facing my own anxiety. In one of the 12-step programs that I love, there is the idea that we neither create a crisis nor prevent a crisis if that is the natural course of events. This idea sounds reasonable to me until I try to put it to work in my life. Instantly, I have all kinds of justifications about why my situation is different, why my other needs me to help them, cover for them, manage them, direct them. They need me. They depend on me. Without my help, they might fail. I forget that failing is learning. I forget that words don't teach. Experience teaches. I worry about them. I want the best for them. I want them to have a wonderful life. I'm feeling anxious. My anxiety is often about how the other will impact me. If they leave, I'll miss them. If they mismanage their health, it may also impact me, emotionally, mentally, and sometimes financially. If they hurt someone, what if? What if? I'm full of anxiety about the potential but unmanifested future. Do I want to spend my life lost in anxiety, thinking about potential problems? Or do I want to focus on the solution? The solution is to turn my focus to the one place that I have total cosmic power, my own self. I can learn to control my thoughts, feelings, emotions, and beliefs. I can let go and let God manage everything else. When I face my own anxiety and learn to soothe my fears, then I gradually realize that all is well. Things are always working out for me.